Okay, so results not typical. These are not guarantees of income. But if you want to learn how to earn commissions like this, all right, this is a $2,000 commission notification, or you want to learn how to earn commissions like this is a $1,000 commission, or a commission like this is another $1,000 commission, or commissions like these, right? And what you're going to want to do is stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you step by step how our team members are getting results just like this, just like these commissions. I'm going to show you step by step what you can do to learn how to do this. Okay. So I want to tell you a quick story though before I jump into that. So the name of this platform is Exodus Elite. Okay. And as you can see, you can earn $100 to $2,000 per sale, and you keep 100% of the commission, right? It's a personal development affiliate marketing platform. It's high ticket affiliate marketing, and we sell personal development training and products, right? So when I first got started with this, I joined at the top level, and because I wanted to get like earn as much commission as possible. And what happened was I was having trouble with actually getting any results with it, right? I was trying everything and nothing was working. I was trying Facebook, YouTube, paid ads, free ads. I was not getting any results with anything that I tried, right? But then I learned personal branding and using that in my marketing. I learned that from the sponsor that I have. And we can teach you that if you choose to join our team, right? And what happened was I didn't want to do it at first, but I just did it because nothing else was working. And at first, I applied the strategy. It's very simple to do. You can't mess it up. I'll show you in a second where you can actually learn it. And like I said, it was slow at first, right? Then one day, my phone, I got a text message from my phone because I left my phone number with the strategy, and someone had sent me a text message because they wanted to join and they wanted to know how to pay. And I was kind of excited and nervous at the same time. At first, I didn't even know what the text message was about because so much time had passed. I kind of forgot about what I had did, but I let him know how to join, and he paid. And it wasn't at the $2,000 level or anything. It was just at one of the lower levels. But the fact that this happened showed me that this strategy and this business could actually work. And some time had passed, and then it happened again. And from there, I knew that this is something that will actually work, and it'll work for anybody. You just have to apply it, and it's something that normal people can do. As long as you have a phone, as long as you have a computer, then you can definitely do this, right? And the reason why I wanted to share this story with you is because um, most people are not going to join you unless they can reach out to you and speak to you, or speak to someone, especially if they are going to join and pay a $2,000 um, entry fee, right? You're not gonna create high ticket commissions without a person actually speaking to somebody. Like they're gonna either want to speak to you or speak to someone else. Now, if you're not someone that wants to speak to people and do that type of thing, you don't have to, because this system will actually close the sales for you. They have an actual sales system that will close sales for you. They just take a small commission of that sale and you get the money, right? But like I said before, the personal branding is what worked, and you can learn how to do it very simple, or you can't mess it up. There's no wrong way to do it. But if that's not something you want to do, then just let the system close the sales for you. So, like I said before, this is a personal development affiliate marketing platform, right? And the product is something called the Genesis Library, and basically it's a library of personal development products, and each level of the Genesis library pays a different commission, right? So at the top level is where I joined, G2000. The G stands for Genesis, right? So at the G2000 level, you can earn $2,000 commissions. And what I did was I paid the 399 admin fee, and you pay that once, and then you get basically access to the back office. It pays for the system and everything that you get included with the system, the capture pages, sales funnels, the marketing system, all of that is included for you. So you don't have to go out and make um, sales pages and sales funnels unless you really want to, but you don't have to. It's all included. And I paid the $2,000 um, product fee, and that gave me access to the G2000 level of products, and it also allowed me to resell all of the different products in the Genesis library. There's no passive sales with this. Also, they revamped this entire program. As soon as you join, you're now qualified to make commissions at whatever level you join. So being at the top level, you're allowed to earn commissions at the $1,000 level, 500, 250, and the $100 level. Now, let's say that you only joined at the $100 level, right? You would have to pay the $49 admin fee. You're now qualified to earn $100 commissions over and over and over again, but you can't make any sales over that. So let's say someone that you refer joins at the $2,000 level. Well, you're only going to make $100 off of that sale. That $1,900 of that 2,000 is going to roll up to whoever sponsored you and is qualified at that level. So I hope that makes sense. It's very simple. They simplified the whole commission structure. There's no pass ups or nothing like that. Now, there's going to be a link to this page if you want to check it out yourself. You can read through it. I'm going to show you the back office in a second, but there's also testimonials here if you want to check those out. And you also get access to, so this is the sales team. You can basically, they'll close the sales for you, right? All we do is send people to a video that looks like this. It's a 4-minute video. They watch the video, and then if they have questions, they can either reach out to you or call this phone number, and the sales team will close the sales for you, and they take a small commission. But your main job is to get people to this page and let them make a decision. You don't have to really do any hard selling or anything like that with this. But like I said before, the personal branding strategy will um, will make this a lot easier for you. So let me show you the back office real quick. So this is the G2000 level products here. And like I said, it's personal development products is what we're selling or reselling. And these are all the different levels that you get access to. It's the 100, 250, 500, and 1,000 G2000 level of products. Did I click on it? There it is. So you get access to all of this when you join at the $2,000 level. Now, if you can't join at that level, just get in where you fit in if this is something that resonates with you, and you can upgrade later. Because if you have to upgrade, you just pay the difference. It's not like you have to join at or pay for every single level above you or nothing like that. You just join where you can. This is the marketing suite here, and it's already got built-in capture pages, so you don't have to go out and make your own unless you want to and you know what you're doing. And then there's two different video sales pages or video sales letters. This one I use, it's only 4 minutes to get information and then they can make a decision. The other one is 6 minutes, but they both work. And then you got a whole back office worth of stuff. They redid this whole back office. This here is more training, and I was going to show you. So this is where you can come and find out how to generate leads. Like if you want a traffic source that works, you just come here, and these are the recommended ways to generate traffic. And when you join our team at the G2000 level, you get access to a private group chat where if you got questions, we will answer them for you. You're not going to ever be alone when you get started with us, right? And this is one of the bonuses here. This is the personal branding training. So the the guy that's the my sponsor created a video series where he's teaching you how to do um, personal branding so that people come to you and you're able to basically automatic like generate leads on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about paying for traffic and doing a whole bunch of free marketing. Once you start branding yourself, the people will come to you the same way that I shared in the story where people were text messaging me asking me how to join. You're gonna learn how to do that with these with this training, and you're gonna get access to all this when you join our team. Just reach out to me or just click the link underneath this in the description, and you can you'll be able to join me, and I can share all of this information with you, all this training. You're also going to get access to a swipe file if you want to place like classified ads or free ads or something like that. If you don't have a lot of money for advertising, this is another option that you have. And there's ads on here and where you place the ads and stuff like that. So this is another way that you can generate traffic. And if you're at it on like a tight budget, we like reach out to me, and there is a way that you can use kind of like a payment plan if you want to use like Afterpay or something like that. But just let me know and I can get you that information. But yeah, this is very lucrative program. It works and they've revamped it. You also have the ability to get access to some AI training where you can learn how to generate leads and promote the system using AI tools, right? It's very, very simple. All this stuff is straightforward, and you can earn monthly commissions when um, if you wanted to take that route. But like I said, my contact information is it should be underneath this video. Just reach out to me if you got questions, or when you go to this video here, you can contact this phone number. Make sure you watch the video first, and they'll be able to answer any question that you have. So hopefully you got some value from this. So the steps are basically step one, you need to join the program. Step two is go through the branding training because that's going to help you out. And step three is reach out to us to get your questions answered in the group, or just reach out to me. If you're joining with me, I'll be able to help you. And I got some more training that I can give to you to help you out. All right. And the last step is you got to stay consistent. You can't just do this once and think you're going to earn tons of money. You got to consistently um, work your business and promote the business. But that's all I got. So, yeah, let me know if you need anything, if you got any questions, or just reach out to me if you're ready to get started. All right. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.